Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Lesego Tawana. I'm from a company called Black Empire Trading and Projects. I'm the director and managing director. At Black Empire, what we do is focus on branding and designing, mine supplying, and ice making and supplying. Basically, what we do is metric jackets, provide jackets for less fortunate schools, supply ice at Sun City, Kwamaritani, supply surrounding businesses, and I supply Bakubung mine with spares and most of the things. Right. How the page went, I felt that I didn't actually express myself fully. I'm stage shy, so I can't express myself fully in front of a lot of people. I know as an entrepreneur, you have to have the voice to voice out and the strength to stand out, right? But I'm glad that I pitched, I gave it my all, and everything went well. I really appreciate the opportunity that I was given by T. And cell phone number is 078-565-6545. My email address is blackempiretradingandprojects@gmail.com. And then on social media, it's Black Empire Clothing on Facebook and Black Empire LT on Instagram. Hi, my name is Lesego Tawana and I'm a township entrepreneur.